Hey guys, it's me, Isla. So, yeah guys, anyways, you guys may be wondering why I'm speaking so slow. It's because actually, I'm gonna prank my mom again. So guys, basically, while she was cooking, I just got two of these, you know guys, online, you guys see those people where they put two pastas on their teeth, and then they say, oh mom, my back hurts, can you crack my back? But after that, instead the pastas crack. And it's just really funny, and I thought I may try it on my mom. So because mom was no. That's why I'm gonna put them in. So yeah, let's put one in. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm gonna hide the camera, guys. Okay, one sec. Okay, Mommy. My back hurts. Can you crack my back, please?
Sure.
Oh, Mommy, that hurt! Ow! Mommy, that hurt! Mommy!
Sorry.
Mommy, that hurts! That hurts! Mommy. It was a prank. They're good. These are actually delicious. Okay, guys, so actually, guys, my mom did fall for it. Anyways, these are delicious. They're toasted and they're delicious, guys. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel if you guys don't want to miss any of my videos. Peace.